Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Hey guys, so I want to explain this Gothic literature playlist that you are about to be working with. So instead of giving you an assignment every single day with a due date each day, you are going to be working on a playlist. So you're going to get a document that has a list of the activities you are going to do in the Gothic literature unit in order that I want you to do them. You have to go in order. It's not like the choice board. You have to start at one and then work your way down in order. We are going to be working in cohort A and cohort B. Since it's going to be really confusing doing a weekly playlist for Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday when you're all on different days in class, we are instead going to be switching over to a 30 days of ELA planner. So it'll be one planner for the rest of quarter two. And it's going to just say day one, day two, day three, day four, and so on. And you are going to start day one on October 19th on Monday if you are in cohort A. If you are in cohort B or a Plan C student, you are going to start on Thursday, October 22nd with day one. This is also going to help me because if you get behind, you're able to tell me, I'm still on day four if the rest of us are on day 6 or 8. So I know how far behind you are and I know how much it's going to take for us to catch up. Lucas, you're slowly, the camera's going more and more down. Okay. So you're just going to start on day one on your first day of in-class school and then keep moving forward. Now, the 30 days of ELA Planner does not include Wednesdays or iReady, but you still have to do them. Since we're not doing the planner in a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday weekly order, it's based on what days you come to school. Trying to add in a Wednesday was too confusing for everybody. So you are going to need to make sure that on Wednesdays you are doing 2 lessons of reading and 2 lessons of math for iReady each week. And we would really like to have those done by Wednesday at midnight. So I'm being very clear, your iReady for the week, you can do it on Monday or Tuesday, you can do it early, but it needs to be finished by Wednesday at midnight. Okay, let's talk about what do you need for ELA class. You are going to bring to school, to class, or to your computer if you're Plan C, your ELA composition notebook that you've already been working in. You're going to bring that with you every single day. You also need to bring your independent reading novel every single day. If you don't have an independent reading novel, like, what's up? What's going on? What? You will need like colored pencils or markers or highlighters. We are going to do lots of creative things in my classroom where you will need to be using color. You know that when you take notes for me, I expect you to be doing outline method and sketch notes where you sketch and doodle and stuff to activate both sides of your brain. Hi guys, this is your 30 days of ELA planner for my class. So I'm going to go over days 1 through 4. For some of you, this will be Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And for some of you, this will be Thursday, Friday, Monday, and Tuesday. Whichever days it is, it doesn't matter. Just work on the day that your cohort is on. So here we go. Day 1 is an in-class day for Plan B kids. Your bell work is to check out some new vocab words in study stacks. You're going to write the words and definitions in your ELA journal, and then I want you to spend the rest of bell work time playing a study stack game of your choice. Then you are going to go ahead and get started on your Gothic Lit playlist. Remember that you have to start at activity number 1 and then do each activity in order. On day 2 in class, you are going to get a grammar packet. Plan B can choose between a paper copy and a digital copy. Plan C kids will just use the digital copy. You are getting a packet. You do not have to do the entire packet today. You will choose at least one of the worksheets to do for today. And then every time I give you a grammar packet bell work assignment, you are just going to complete the next worksheet in the packet. You have to complete them in order. Don't skip around. These grammar packets have been assigned based on some assessments I've done of your work. If you have been using capitalization correctly, then you will be working on learning how to make interesting sentences and making sure that you're doing complete sentences and not sentence fragments. And if you have not yet shown that you are using capitalization correctly, your packet will be about capitalization. Once I see that you have mastered this grammar skill, you will move on to the next skill. Next, you're going to do the Gothic Lit playlist. If you are a Plan B kid, I have some activities that I'm going to do with you in class. You will need to have your colored pencils and markers and anything like that. You'll need that. And you'll need a pair of scissors as well. So bring that to class for day 2. If you are Plan C, you do not have to do this activity, so you will just continue to work on the Gothic Lit playlist. And then your homework is to play study stacks to study your vocab words. And as always, you should be doing independent reading each day. Day 3 is when you are at home. Read theory will be your bell work. Do at least one quiz and make sure you log it on your tracker. Make sure you log the name of the quiz, the percentage that you scored, and the Lexile level of the quiz. You have to have all of that on your tracker. If you don't do it as you go, you will not be able to see it later on. It's just Read Theory won't show you everything. And then you're going to continue to work on the Gothic Lit playlist. At this point, because you're working at your own pace, I'm not going to tell you which assignment you're on because some of you might be on assignment number 6. Some of you might be on 4. Some of you might be on 3. At this point, you want to do at least one assignment or activity from the playlist each day. If it's starting to take you 3 and 4 days to do one of the assignments, then you are going too slow or you're procrastinating, but you should aim for at least one activity per day. If you need help, reach out. Day 4, you're at home. It is Tuesday for bell work. So while you should be reading every single day, when I give you Tuesday bell work, it's because I want you to have extra time built into my schedule to get good reading in. So don't forget to log your time. This is your reminder each week to log your weekly reading time, and then continue on with your Gothic Lit playlist. So as you can see for this unit, because we are doing a playlist, your planner is going to direct you to the playlist, but it's not going to tell you which activity you're on because you're working at your own pace. So all of the links that you need to do these assignments are in the playlist. So just like I've been drilling, go to the weekly planner. You still have to come to the weekly planner every single day to see what your bell work is and to see if you have any other extra homework. Vocabulary will always be built into the weekly planner. And then your unit activities are within the playlist. So you need to be checking the planner every day. this last slide just gives you a reminder for Plan C kids. If you are at home, please come to the ELA Zoom check-ins. It's only on Mondays from 2:35 to 2:55. I only get you for 20 minutes, so make sure that you are showing up and checking in with me. I can answer your questions. I can help you with whatever you need help with, especially easy questions that can wait. You should, before you send an email, check the weekly planner, check all the directions that have been given, and then if it's something that can wait, you can ask me on Monday and we can have a conversation face to face. It's a lot easier that way. So yeah, you guys have an amazing week, and I'll see you in class or I'll see you on Zoom. Either way, have an awesome one. Like to have quarterly celebrations. My cameraman is slowly getting tired. All right, take a break, Lucas. Put your arms down, take a break. Go like this. I just gotta get the rest of it out. It'll take me 2 more seconds.
Oh yeah, still rolling.